Hi you guys, how are you guys doing today? Let me know in the comment section. Hey there, Mally again, coming to you with a sort of a different video. I'm sorry, I'm in my car. Mother's Day is tomorrow. It's Mother's Day weekend, so there's a lot of things going on. I have a lot of errands to run today. Yeah, so anyway, just out running errands. But before I did get started with my day, I did want to come to you guys about something that I'm starting as a new journey. So basically coming to you to let you know, like, you know, there's been some problems for myself. As far as goals, we all have goals. We all have different kind of goals. For my goals, you know, as far as my career and everything's going fine, but as far as myself, I've always wanted to be slimmer, or, you know, more toner in the way I look. So I'm starting this new journey with you guys, and I hope you guys can come along with me with the whole journey. I'm going to try to let you guys know how I feel and give you guys pictures for the progress and everything like that. So anyway, let's just get started with it. So today is day one. Yesterday I went to my family doctor, regular family medicine doctor, and I got a prescription for Phentermine, which is also known as Adipex. So I got this prescription because it seems very hard for me to lose weight. I haven't tried everything, but I feel like I just need a booster. And as far as like my metabolism, most of you all know I'm a mom. I was a young mom, so having a baby young, that also, like, I feel like it affected everything. Like, I got really big really fast. You know, I didn't get the time to like enjoy my young body, my young self, or whatever like that. So, but that's not to say I'm grateful for everything. But saying that, I did get some help. I did start some help out with the Phentermine. Today is my day one of starting with the Phentermine prescription. So I guess I'll just give you guys a look at what it is. I want to show you guys like my information or anything. Let's see what it says first. Hold on. So, sorry, my daughter's back here in the back. Say hey, Kens. So anyway, I'm just making this video really quick. It's just my day one, just kind of like a vlog of like how everything's gonna, how it's supposed to work, and like giving you guys my first impression of it, even though I just took one. But anyway, let's get back to what we were saying. So this is how it looks. Anyway, yeah, so it's a Phentermine. They prescribed me 37.5 milligram tablets, which I don't know if that's a lot or not. I don't know. She was telling me to try it out first with the 37.5 milligram, and then she said if I feel different, or if I feel weird, if I'm having any symptoms, like crazy symptoms, just to give her call back and she'll lower the dosage. So I'm thinking this is a higher dosage. I don't know. I didn't really get much. I didn't really do as much research, honestly. It's probably bad to say that, but I kind of just like went by the doctor's notations of everything. So I don't know what these guys are doing, but sorry. Yeah, so I'm parked right now, but the truck that was parked beside me was really close anyway. But I squeezed my little ass into this goddamn parking spot. Boop. That's there for you. Shouldn't have parked so close to the line. Anyway, so yeah, this is my day one. You're supposed to take a pill, take one tablet every day before breakfast. So I'm supposed to take it before breakfast, but I just picked up my prescription today, so I took it after breakfast. don't know if that's gonna affect anything. I hope not. I'll get back to you later to let you know if it does though. But I took one. They're just little small tablets. I can show you a look of what it like looks like. I want you guys to be trying to make these pills now. You didn't learn it from me. Anyway, so put it in the camera. Ooh, this is very blurry, guys. Let's see. Can you see? Kind of blurry. Anyway, you guys get the picture. It's a small oval tablet. It's really small. So some people are like concerned about pills and everything. Like I know I am. Because she asked me if I wanted a tablet or a capsule, and I just said tablet because I'm not really good with taking pills like that. And especially if they're big horse pills, I'm not gonna take no pill like that every single day. So I asked her to give me tablets with the understanding of it was going to be a little bit smaller than a capsule. But yeah, you can get the picture of it. It has a K and a 25 on it. Yeah, so they're just like little white, small white tablets. So anyway, that's all of the instructions that came with it was just to take it every day before breakfast. Again, I didn't get to try it before breakfast today because I didn't pick it up until this morning, and I was so anxious to take these, y'all. Not because like I'm not I'm not a drug kid, y'all. Okay, I'm not a drug kid. I was just anxious because, like, you know, like when you're starting something new, you feel like, you know, you just want to hurry up and do it, like you're interested in doing it. So along with the Phentermine pills, I am going to be eating better, trying to work out more, but this is just like a boost for you guys. This is not like, okay, I'm gonna take the Phentermine and it's gonna be like a magic pill to make you lose weight. So she did let me know about that. Yeah, so I'm getting it prescribed from a family doctor. She did give me 2 refills with it, so I don't have to go back to her each and every time. I guess I get some time to like see how the medicine's working with me and like see my progress and everything like that. So that's good, because some doctors just give you like 1 prescription and they want you to just go to them like every month, basically, to just keep checking up. And I don't want to do that. So right now I'm at 240. I'm 5'5", 240 pounds. I do want to get down to at least, realistically, I want to get down to 180. Yeah, so I don't have like I don't have like a time. I'm just taking it day by day, honestly. Like I feel like I'm setting a goal for myself, but I feel like when you give it time, you kind of it unmotivates you. What unmotivates me? Like when I have a time to make something by, kind of motivates me to do it, especially when it comes to self goals. Not saying I can't meet a goal when it comes to work. When it comes to work, it's on time. But for myself, especially with losing weight, I just want to see it go naturally. I don't want to like sit here and say, okay, I didn't lose 5 pounds this week. Like, you know, trying to like get all mad with myself or whatever like that. So I feel like that's the best way to do it. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to keep you guys updated with these Phentermine pills. And every day I'll let you guys know. I'm going to weigh myself every week. The doctor did say that it's good to weigh yourself. So for you guys out there that don't want to weigh yourself every time you working out, because, you know, you don't want to see if you lost weight or didn't, you don't want to get, you know, like discouraged by it. My doctor says it's good to weigh yourself. Weigh yourself to see the progress or the non-progress. But anyway, guys, I'll be back a little later to let you guys know how I'm feeling today. I just took the pill like maybe 30 minutes ago, so I don't feel anything right now. It's supposed to curb your appetite, and it's supposed to speed up your metabolism. It may speed up your heart rate. Also, it may give you a bit of a burst of energy. So hopefully I get that burst of energy, child, because I need it.
Why?
Because of you, girl. Tell me why. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all a bit later today. let y'all know what update to buy tonight. Peace. Hi y'all, Madison here again. Sorry, showing you a little cleavage there. Not allowed. Anyway, different view. So as you guys can see, I'm home after a long day of buying things for people for Mother's Day. Today's been such a long day for me. But also today was my first day of me taking the Phentermine. That's what I'm coming to update you guys on. So right now I'm feeling kind of like jittery. And that's probably because of it's my first time taking it. It does make you, well, with my appetite, I'll just let you guys know how I was feeling. After I took the pill, I was like really hungry. So what I ate today was not really healthy. I woke up again, I took the pill after I ate. And then I ate some like cheese bites, like mozzarella stick things from Zaxby's, and that's all I've eaten all day. Today wasn't a good day to kind of test it because I was like on the road, I was running and everything all day, running errands. So we'll try it again tomorrow with a fresh start, but I can let you know that my progress for today, or I guess my experience with it today, I'm just feeling really jittery, like, and anxious, like just feeling like I need to be doing something that I'm not doing. So it's kind of weird. Yeah. So I guess I'll let you guys know how I feel tomorrow, and I'll wake up with you guys bright and early and take it before I eat my breakfast and see how it makes me feel. So yeah, that's my update for today, day 1 of taking the Phentermine Adipex medication for weight loss. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Ghana boy say he want marry me. I hope say sabi kuku watch. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit.